Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about a fascinating topic in maths, matrices. Are you excited? So, let's dive right in. A matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers, symbols, or expressions. It has rows and columns, just like a table. The terms row and column refer to the horizontal and vertical sides of the table, respectively. A simple way to think of a matrix is to imagine you have a grid with multiple rows and columns. Each cell in the grid can hold a number or an expression. This is similar to what we do in mathematics when we use square tables, where numbers and expressions are placed in rows and columns. Now, let's talk about the two most common operations that we perform with matrices, addition and multiplication. Addition. Adding two matrices means to add the numbers in each row of the first matrix to the numbers in each row of the second matrix. Remember that the order of the rows does not matter since addition is a commutative operation. Multiplication. Multiplying two matrices means to multiply the numbers in each column of the first matrix by the numbers in each column of the second matrix. The order of the columns does not matter since multiplication is an associative operation. A very important property of a matrix is that it allows us to perform operations on a set of numbers without having to write out each individual number. For example, the product of three numbers can be calculated by applying the rule of multiplication to the three numbers and then arranging the results in a row vector. Lastly, let's discuss the determinant of a matrix. The determinant of a square matrix is a number that represents the amount by which a rotation of the matrix changes the product of its rows. The determinant is often used to determine the similarity of two matrices. That's it for our quick introduction to matrices today. I hope you found this topic interesting and that it opened your eyes to the many possibilities that mathematical structures like matrices offer in our everyday lives.